Unveil file extensions on Windows 11 effortlessly. In the next 10 seconds, explore 3 different ways to reveal file extensions, enhancing your file management experience. Open the desired directory in File Explorer. Now click on View, expand the Show section, and click on File Name Extensions. Click on the search icon in the taskbar to open the search menu. Now type File Explorer Options. Select File Explorer Options from the results. Head to the View tab and uncheck Hide Extensions for known file types. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. Press the Windows plus R keys at the same time on your keyboard. The Run dialog box will open. Type regedit in it and then click OK. The Registry Editor window will open. Navigate to the following key: Computer OH key, Current User on Software O, Microsoft O Windows O Current Version A, Explorer O Advanced. Now double-click the Hide File X Dward, set the value data to 0 and click OK. For file extensions to appear, you might have to restart your Windows 11 PC after the procedure. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.